This is TCL 505, and today I'll show how you can take a screenshot on this device. So there are quite a few methods you can use. The first is to simultaneously press volume down and power keys like that. Next method is the 3-finger gesture. Just slide with your 3 fingers from up to bottom like that. And the third method is to open the control panel, expand it, find the screenshot tile or shortcut, tap on it, and as you will see, the screenshot gets taken this way also. Now, in order to find the screenshots, open your gallery, then go into the albums, and as you can see, those screenshots are being saved to their separate screenshots folder. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.